Do you want to build a personal brand that not only reflects who you are but also generates cash on autopilot? Imagine waking up to money in your account without actively working. Sounds great, doesn't it? Well, let's get started with the definition of a personal brand. What's a personal brand? A personal brand is like your reputation for a specific skill, expertise, or behavior. It's the way you present yourself to others, showing what makes you unique and what you are known for. Here is how you can build a powerful personal brand that generates cash on autopilot step by step. Step number one, define your skill. The first key to building a personal brand that makes money on autopilot is to identify your unique skill. What are you exceptionally good at? Your skill will be the foundation of your brand and it's your real asset that generates money. It could be photography, digital marketing, graphic design, such as using Photoshop, or anything you are passionate about and proficient in. For example, if you are good at digital marketing, you can teach people SEO skills to help them rank their website higher on Google. Let's see the real life example. Gary Vee. Gary Vee, a renowned entrepreneur, author, and speaker, is a perfect example of leveraging skills for personal branding. His expertise in marketing and entrepreneurship became the cornerstone of his brand. Gary Vee consistently shares valuable content, showcasing his skills and attracting a massive audience. He makes money from different platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and his own website. Gary Vee earns around $11,400 every month just from his YouTube channel, according to socialblade.com. Step number two, determine your unique value proposition. Once you have identified your skill, it's time to determine your unique value proposition. What makes you different from your competitors with similar skills? Can you solve people's problems better than your competitors? For example, can you generate 1,000 leads from Facebook in 1 week if others do it in 2 weeks? Gary Vee's USP lies in his unfiltered authenticity. His straightforward approach and nonsense attitude set him apart in the business and motivational speaking space. Now we come to step number three, build a personal website. In today's digital age, having a personal website is crucial for establishing your online presence. Your domain should be as personal as your brand. For instance, if your name is John Smith, consider a domain like johnsmith.com. Introduce yourself on the homepage with a short paragraph and friendly photo. This personal touch helps your audience connect with you. Create a blog on your website to share the latest helpful articles around your skill and expertise. Use this platform to showcase your knowledge, share insights, and engage with your audience. Additionally, monetize your website by offering your own courses or promoting others' courses as an affiliate. This allows you to generate passive income while providing valuable content. Let's see the real life example. Ami Portfeld, an online marketing expert, effectively uses his personal website to share insightful content and offer online courses. Her website, amiportfeld.com, serves as a hub for her expertise and a platform for monetization through courses and affiliate marketing. Step number four, create quality content. Content is the heart of your personal brand. It's the number one asset you leverage to make money passively. Creating high quality content related to your expertise or niche makes you credible and gives you authority on the market. Before creating any piece of content, make sure to analyze at least 3 to 5 of your competitors' content for the same topic and create something better than them. Gary Vee, known for his educational and motivational contents, he publishes advanced social media marketing tips and strategies daily on YouTube alone. Now we came to step number 5. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for building and promoting your personal brand. It's the best place to build your target audience for free. Publishing your content on social media helps the algorithm promote your content to the right audience at the right time. YouTube and Facebook love interesting content because it helps them make money from advertising. Follow in the steps of Neil Patel, a digital marketing expert. Patel effectively uses platforms like LinkedIn and YouTube to share valuable insights, connect with his audience, and establish himself as an authority in the digital marketing space. Step number 6. Optimize for search engines. To reach a wider audience, optimize your content for search engines. You should incorporate keywords to enhance the visibility of your content. When your target audience sees your content on the first page of a Google search, they will click on the title and enjoy reading it. So, implement SEO based practices to ensure your brand is easily discoverable online. Step number 7. Monetize your content. Now let's talk about the cash flow. You can monetize your contents using various monetization methods, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or creating and selling your products to monetize your brand. If you're a beginner, start with affiliate marketing. Just review a product on your social media channels like a Facebook page or YouTube and earn a percentage of the commission when your audience purchases it. Step number 8. Build an email list. An email list is a powerful asset for generating passive income. Email marketing generates $36 for every $1 spent, according to litmus.com. Moreover, every email lead is worth $1. If you have an email list of 10,000 subscribers, you can make approximately $10,000. You can build your email list by giving your audience a free gift called a lead magnet in digital marketing. Your lead magnet can be a free ebook, course, or subscription to a program for a specific time. Now we come to the step number 9. Automate your sales funnel. To achieve autopilot income, set up automated sales funnels. Gary Vee's team effectively uses email marketing to guide subscribers through the sales process. Implement tools and systems like ClickFunnels or System.io that automate the journey from awareness to purchase, allowing you to generate sales with minimal effort. To summarize how to build a powerful personal brand for passive income, in the first step, define your scale. And the second step, determine your unique value proposition and what makes you unique from your competitors. Then, in step number 3, build a personal website, which is crucial. Step number 4, create quality content. And step number 5, leverage social media. And step number 6, optimize search engines. And then in step number 7, monetize your content. Now we come to step number 8, build an email list. And in the final step, which is step number 9, automate your sales funnel by using ClickFunnels or System.io. So, if you want to learn the number one skill of every entrepreneur that prints money like an ATM machine, click on the screen to watch or click in the description below. Thanks for watching.